Choosing the correct series or parallel connection is crucial for maximizing the efficiency of a recreational vehicle, RV, solar power system. This guide explores the fundamental differences between series and parallel connections, offering direction to help you make the best choice based on your energy needs. Fundamental differences between series and parallel connections. Series connection. In a series configuration, solar panels are connected in sequence, increasing voltage, while maintaining the same current. This setup is particularly suited for applications requiring high voltage, such as long-distance transmission. However, its performance might decline under insufficient sunlight, and a single panel's failure can affect the entire system. Despite these limitations, the simplicity and cost-effectiveness of series connections remain significant advantages. Parallel connection. Parallel connections involve linking the positive and negative terminals of solar panels to form a bus, increasing the current while keeping the voltage unchanged. This configuration is ideal for scenarios requiring a high current, such as speeding up the charging of RV batteries. The strengths of a parallel setup include higher energy efficiency under low light conditions and enhanced system fault tolerance, as the failure of a single panel does not impact the entire system's operation. However, this configuration is more complex to install and generally costs more. In summary, parallel connections are used to increase current, while series connections increase voltage. The choice between them depends on your solar system's design requirements and goals. Regarding RV installation, consider space and weight limitations. Lightweight and efficient flexible solar panels are popular for their exceptional performance. Taking SunGold's SGTF D2 100 watt as an example, it has a power output of 100 watt and a voltage of 17.4 volts. For low voltage systems, e.g. 12 volt systems, using 17.4 volts, solar panels is actually very suitable for 12 volt systems because it can ensure effective battery charging under various light conditions. To increase the system's current output while keeping the voltage appropriate, solar panels can be connected in parallel. For high voltage systems, e.g. 24 volt systems, connecting two 100 watt solar panels in series can increase the total voltage output of the system while maintaining stable output current. If further increase in current output is needed, more solar panels can be added and connected in parallel. Conclusion. When designing series and parallel connections for an RV solar power system, customizing according to the specific voltage requirements and installation scenarios is key to ensuring the system operates stably and efficiently. Choosing the appropriate connection method combined with high-quality connectors and cables can enhance the system's stability and durability, ensuring reliable power supply under various environmental conditions.